Good morning everyone. This is the first interaction with you. I am Anubrata. I am going to teach you chemistry for this academic session. So let us introduce first that according to our textbook, which lessons are included in chemistry part. There are three parts in science: physics, chemistry and biology. According to NCERT textbook, lesson 1, that is matter in our surrounding. Lesson 2, that is matter around us pure? Lesson 3, atoms and molecules. And lesson 4, structure of atom. It sounds very easy that only 4 lessons are there in this year, but actually we have to struggle to complete these 4 lessons. According to our plan, first, second and few part of the third lessons have to be completed before month of September, that means before midterm exam. Then remaining part of third lesson and fourth lesson we will be completing after midterm. 30th November is the deadline to complete our syllabus. In first lesson we will be learning about the different matter which are present in our surrounding, in our environment, and their different states of matter, that is solid, liquid, gas, which are the common 3 states of matter. Not only that, 2 more different states of matter we will be just learning about the brief introduction, that is plasma state and BEC, Bose-Einstein condensate. This is about the first lesson. In second lesson we will be learning the chemical composition, that is chemical properties of the matter. Based on that chemical composition, matter is of 2 types, pure substance and impure substance. There are different types and different characteristics, their uses, how we will be able to separate them, all those details we will be learning in second lesson. In third lesson we will be learning matter which is made up of very small particles, that is atoms and molecules. That means detail about the atoms and molecules. What is atom, what is molecule, what is their differences, how do you write the short form of the atoms and molecules, how will be able to derive the formula. Based on that, how many molecules or how many atoms are they present in the given quantity of the substances, that is mole concept. All those things are included in third lesson. And fourth lesson is the structure of atom. That means the tiny particle which is the basic of the matter. What is the structure of that tiny particle? What is the structure of atom? Is it divisible or not? If we divide the atom, which are the other subatomic particles present inside the atom? About that we are going to learn. So this is the main syllabus. Whole year we are going to discuss that. Now first we will be starting with the lesson 1, that is matter in our surrounding. Now matter in our surrounding means, first question which will come to our mind, that is what is matter. Please note down. Matter is anything that has mass, occupies space, and can be perceived by our sense organs. Like eyes, nose, etc. So what is the definition of matter? Anything which is present in our environment must have mass, which is measurable quantity, must occupy this space. That means it must have some capacity. We will be able to calculate its volume. And it can be perceived. That means we can sense the matter with our sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. In any one of the sense organ, we will be able to sense that matter. So what are the examples of that matter? Chair, pen, air, water, milk, oxygen, brick, etc. We'll continue the same in the next video.